Camping trips can be a breeze with this advice. Whether you choose to go camping by yourself or take the whole family, few destinations make for such amazing fun and adventure. Learn how to make the most of your time with nature in the great outdoors, by watching the following tips that will guide you to the best camping trip ever. If you are camping at a public campground, make sure you pack shower shoes for everyone in your party. Not only will they protect your feet from the bacteria on the shower floor, but they are great for those nighttime runs to the bushes when you need to use the restroom. They can be old flip-flops, Crocs, or even slip-ons. Plan accordingly when it comes to food. It is a hassle to make room in your car for all the food you need. However, proper nourishment is crucial when you are in the woods. Bringing enough food means that you will save money and keep everyone in your family in a good mood. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. When you go camping, be sure to wear closed-toe shoes. Walking in wooded areas, you can come across almost anything, not to mention things can fall on your feet. You may also want to take a hike. So the next time you go out camping, make sure to wear shoes that can go everywhere you want to go. Learning and living with nature is one of the best ways to spend your hard-earned vacation time. Pack and prepare with everything you need to make your camping adventure a success, and be sure to keep all the tips from this video in mind to make it go more smoothly. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.